Space is full of beautiful things, but some of the most amazing places we have found are also the most terrifying. From planets where glass rains sideways, to worlds drifting alone without a sun, to dead stars with magnetic fields stronger than imagination, the universe is not just beautiful, it is terrifying. HD 189733b looks almost peaceful at first glance because it shines with a deep blue color that can remind people of Earth. But this planet is nothing like home. It is a giant world far beyond our solar system, and scientists think its atmosphere may contain tiny glass-like particles. Its winds may roar at thousands of miles per hour, blasting that glass sideways through the air. Imagine looking up into a blue sky only to face a storm of sharp flying shards. It is one of the most dangerous weather systems ever imagined, and it turns a pretty planet into a cosmic nightmare. 55 Cancri A is a world that seems built out of fire. This super-Earth orbits so close to its star that a year there lasts less than one Earth day. The heat is extreme, and scientists think parts of its surface may be covered by oceans of molten lava. Rock may vaporize into the sky, then cool and fall again in a strange cycle that barely feels like a planet at all. If you could see it up close, you might find a glowing red world with burning horizons and liquid stone moving like a sea. It is a place where the ground itself may flow like water. WASP 12b is a giant planet living on borrowed time. It circles so close to its star that the star is actually pulling the planet apart. Gravity is stretching it, heating it, and slowly stealing its outer layers. Scientists believe this world is being eaten piece by piece as its own material spills away into space. It is hard to picture a planet as prey, but that is exactly what this may be. WASP-12b is not just orbiting its star, it is being consumed by it. Kepler-16b sounds like science fiction, but it is real. This planet orbits two stars instead of one, which means its sky would be lit by twin suns. People often compare it to Tatooine from Star Wars, but the real discovery was even more exciting than the movie image. It proved that planets can survive in systems that once seemed too chaotic for worlds to exist. If you stood on a nearby moon, you might watch two suns sink below the horizon together. That kind of sky once belonged only to stories, and now it belongs to astronomy. TRAPPIST-1 changed the way people think about other solar systems. Around this small, cool star, scientists found 7 rocky planets packed incredibly close together. Several of them are in the habitable zone, the region where temperatures might allow liquid water under the right conditions. These worlds are so close to each other that if you stood on one, neighboring planets could appear huge in the sky. It would not feel like our solar system, where planets are spread far apart. It would feel crowded, strange, and full of possibilities. One little star, 7 Earth-sized worlds, and maybe some of the best places to search for life. Some of the first exoplanets ever discovered were not found around a normal living star. They were found around PSRB 1257+12, a pulsar, which is the dead leftover core of a star that exploded. A pulsar spins fast and blasts intense radiation into space, making it a brutal place for planets to survive. These worlds orbit the corpse of a star, which is why they feel like zombie worlds. They are real planets moving through a dead and hostile system, lit not by warm sunlight, but by the remains of something that once died violently. Even after a star is gone, planets can still circle the wreckage. PSOJ 318 1.5 minus 2. 2 is one of the loneliest objects scientists have found. It is a rogue planet-like world that does not orbit a star at all. It drifts through space alone, without a sunrise, without a sunset, and without any parent sun to warm it. Most planets belong to a system, but this one wanders the darkness by itself. It may still glow faintly from leftover heat, but its journey is quiet, cold, and endless. A world without a sky full of daylight is eerie enough. A world with no sun anywhere is something else entirely. Then there are the so-called cotton candy planets, some of the strangest giant worlds ever found. These planets can be huge, almost as large as Jupiter, but their densities are unbelievably low. They are so puffed up that scientists compare them to styrofoam or cotton candy. That does not mean they are sweet or soft, of course. It means they are swollen with enormous atmospheres that make them weirdly lightweight for their size. They look ghostly, pale, and unreal, as if a planet somehow forgot how heavy a planet is supposed to be. They challenge simple ideas about how worlds form and survive. Magnetars are not planets, but they deserve a place on any list of cosmic horrors. They are a type of neutron star, the crushed core left behind after a massive star dies. What makes them so frightening is their magnetic field, which is so powerful that it is almost beyond human understanding. A magnetar is tiny compared with a normal star, yet it can unleash violent bursts of energy and twist space around it with pure force. Scientists describe these objects as some of the most extreme in the universe. They are dead stars, but they are anything but quiet. And then there are black holes, the ultimate cosmic monsters. A black hole is a region where gravity becomes so strong that not even light can escape. Around many black holes, hot gas spins in a glowing accretion disk, racing faster and faster as it falls inward. If a star comes too close, the black hole can rip it apart in a tidal disaster that sends matter screaming into the dark. Black holes bend light, warp space, and hide whatever crosses their edge from the rest of the universe. They are not empty holes in space. They are places where the rules we know are pushed to their limit. When scientists discover places like these, they are not just finding weird objects far away. They are discovering how wild reality really is. The universe keeps revealing worlds stranger than anything science fiction ever imagined, and every new telescope seems to make space feel even bigger, darker, and more mysterious. And the scariest part is, we have barely explored anything yet.